Car Days is on until September 13th. No frills.
Fear starts to creep in, so we can...
Shout outs to my brother for dropping me off. I really didn't want to spend another 20 bucks on an Uber. Yeah, while these guys had the car in their possession, I just got him to do an oil change because we had to replace the drain plug washer. Anyway, cannot lift the car as it is very badly rusted underneath. It's pretty bad, the frame itself. I mean, it still can be lifted. You just gotta be careful. The suspension ball joints, remove and replace components is required to access. Okay, so these guys really just checked everything over. The main thing was the leaks as well as replacing the ball joints, but both front ball joints have been replaced. So yeah, let's take this back home and really test out the drive. Kind of excited. Apparently this was just not even safe to drive at all. And I also got them to do the wheel alignment, so right now it's driving pretty decent. Guys, I actually like the tone of this car. It sounds better than the FRS. Now everything's kind of buttoned up. It's a night and day difference to drive this thing. Bro, she's winter ready. So what we're gonna do today is mainly just full paint correction. Try to get rid of as much of the scratches on the Subaru as we can. I mean, on silver cars or brighter colored cars in general, it's kind of harder to see these kinds of things. It'll be more so for my self-gratification. Since we know we are wrapping this thing, it'll be nice to know that underneath the wrap that the paint is immaculate. So that's today's plan. If we do a really good job in this stage, the resale value goes up. Because I actually do plan on selling it next year come springtime, or at least upgrading to a WRX or an actual STI. Yeah, that was always part of the plan. So right now, we are just prettying her up and just trying to make her showroom quality. Let's get it. Now that we have a rough idea of where our holes are lined up, I'm gonna make sure that all of them are aligned and matched up with this line right here. And I'm also gonna just measure the distance between each of these little pegs and make sure that these are the same exact distance apart. Gucci. We're also going to be painting the windshield wipers because, as you can see, hella faded, literally down to its steel. I'm just going to like mask it off in this area and spray paint it with a gloss black spray paint. Starting from like this area, should be easy enough. Alright friends, I think I'm gonna end this video. It did kind of start snowing outside, but that's okay because the Subi is now fairly winter ready. You know, I did end up installing a couple of banners, including a tint strip on the top and a bad banner on the bottom here, mostly to hide this crack. So kind of a waste because we are still gonna be replacing the windshield, but all G. Actually, before I leave, I want to let you guys know that I do have another show this weekend coming up from the 27th to the 29th. The Comic-Con that is happening at the RBC Center in Winnipeg. So for you Winnipeg locals, come by the booth, say what's up, let me know what you guys think about the new STI Sideskirts. I'd say it's like emulating a small drop, but ideally in the future, I will probably get coils for this. Still a few things I want to get done to it before really calling it 100% complete in my eyes. I have to be careful because this is supposed to be our practical daily and it's actually been doing its job really well. But that's it for this video, guys. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. As always, if you want to get updated on when new videos drop on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a few likes, leave some good vibes in the comments, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask them because I might do, or not might, I probably will be doing, not probably, I will be doing a Q&A in the near future. So I might choose one of your creative questions. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.